The temperatures are going to start to slide, unfortunately, so Saturday morning may be kind of cold, right?
Yeah, it's going to be pretty chilly going into Saturday morning, but definitely a different picture today than we were seeing yesterday. We're seeing lots of blue skies out there. We're seeing windy conditions, and temperatures right now are in the 50s, but as that cold front approaches, temperatures are going to drop throughout the day today, and that's when we're going to start to see those colder temperatures take over the tri-state for your Saturday. We're even going to see some snow possible for your Sunday. Let's take a look outside. Another look. 53 degrees there in Newport. West wind 26 miles per hour as that cold front approaches. You can see the camera shaking a little bit there. 29 mile per hour winds in Cincinnati. 49 degrees, and again, temperatures dropping throughout the day today. So be aware, if you don't need a jacket now, you might need one later in the day today. Here's the wind gusts across the area right now. 47 in Wilmington, 46 in Lunken, 33 in Cincinnati, 39 in Connersville right now. So definitely seeing those strong wind gusts out there. It's one of those days where you need lots of hairspray, or just put your hair up in a ponytail so it's not flying around throughout the entire day, because we're going to see these gusty winds until about sunset. Once the sun sets, these will start to calm down a little bit, and we'll see more calm winds going into the evening and going into your weekend forecast as well. So today is going to be the warmest of the next 3 days, but it's not going to be too terribly bad for Saturday. We'll have some snow chances on Sunday. I'll track out your hour by hour for your weekend forecast coming up in just a few minutes.
A bit cold outside. Back to February-like temperatures. I mean, we shouldn't be surprised.
Right.
You get that false taste of spring, which we had all week long, and everybody's like, we're ready for it. Right.
I'm ready for it to be spring now. We're like 27 days away from spring now, so I'm like ready for it to be here, but it is still February, and we're getting colder, and colder has to be in quotation marks here, because that's just a typical February temperature we'll be feeling by this weekend, but definitely about 20 degrees colder than we were feeling last week heading into this weekend. Today is going to be pretty windy throughout the entire day, so it's going to feel a little colder, and temperatures are dropping throughout the day as a cold front approaches. So definitely getting colder, and we even have snow possibilities as we move into Sunday. Here's what we're looking like on the bigger picture here. Everyone's seeing a special weather statement for the time being, and that's going to be for the gusty winds that we're seeing throughout the day today. This little green blob here, that is a flood warning up in Warren in Greene County from the storms last night. Other than that, we're focused on the wind gusts throughout the day today. 40, 50 mile per hour wind gusts for most people right now as we move into the afternoon hours. That doesn't start to taper off here until we get to about 6, 7 o'clock, right when that sun sets. That's when we start to see those wind speeds become more average, become more normal, and calm down a little bit. But for now, we're seeing pretty gusty winds and pretty hefty sustained winds as well. 53 degrees here in Newport. You can see the camera shaking here if you look closely enough, maybe squint your eyes. 26 mile per hour sustained winds, 29 mile per hour sustained winds there in Cincinnati. 49 degrees, and again, it's only going to get colder throughout the day today. So if you're heading out the door and you're thinking, wow, 50s, it's going to warm up today, you don't need to grab that jacket. You do, because again, that cold front is on the way, and you can see where that divide is as that cold front is pushing in here, with the blues starting to come and take over the tri-state here. And we can zoom out and show you where that cold front line in as well, and it is starting to make its way over the tri-state right now. 49 in Cincinnati. You can see where the 50s, upper 50s are, and you can see what's coming for us as well. Those 30s coming down from Cleveland, Chicago, St. Louis area, starting to make its way into the 30s as well. Tonight is going to be one of the colder nights we've seen in the last week or so. 29 degrees. So get ready to bundle up. Put your hair up as well, because those windy conditions are going to persist throughout the day today. Heading into tomorrow, it's going to be a pretty nice day. It's going to be colder, but we'll have lots of sunshine out there. Nothing that's going to interfere with the FC Cincinnati opener going into tomorrow. Now, as we move into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday here, that's when we see the 30s move into the forecast. So definitely colder and below average here. But then we rebound nicely going into Wednesday, seeing the 50s come back into the forecast. But before we can get there, we're really focused on Sunday here, where we start to see a few snowflakes in the forecast. So this is 7 a.m. Sunday. You'll see some snow move into the forecast. It's going to be snow showers, but it's not going to accumulate to much. So just remember that less than an inch will accumulate from this. Heading through the afternoon, we have a few spotty snow showers left, and after the sun sets, we'll see one last burst. Heading into early Monday, that's when those snow showers start to exit the region. So windy today, perfect Saturday for this time of year, right on average for us. Great day for the FC Cincinnati opener. And then we start to see snow showers come into the forecast here, and then we'll rebound back into the upper 40s, low 50s.